Hello everyone, welcome. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of relationships and explore how to attract your dream girl. This is a topic that many of us think about, and I'm here to help you navigate through it with some practical advice and insights. If you enjoy this type of content and want to learn more, please click that subscribe button below to join our wonderful community. Your support means a lot to me. Now, let's get started with today's discussion. Part 1. Why don't girls like you? To kick things off, I want to address a common issue that many guys face. Why do some girls seem uninterested? Have you ever found yourself in a group setting where your friends are all paired up, sharing laughs and affectionate moments, while you feel like the odd one out? It can be tough to watch others find love while you feel overlooked. But don't worry, we're going to break down some potential reasons why this might be happening and how you can change it. 1. Lack of confidence. First and foremost, let's talk about confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a person can possess. It's like a magnet that draws people in. Girls can usually sense if a guy is unsure of himself, and that can be a deal breaker. It's perfectly fine to feel a bit shy, but it's crucial to work on building your self-belief. How can you do this? Start by setting small goals for yourself, whether it's speaking up more in group discussions or trying something new that scares you a little. Over time, these small victories will build your confidence. There's a significant difference between being a little shy and lacking confidence entirely. Even if you have a good job or make a decent living, it won't matter if you don't believe in yourself. Building confidence is a skill you can develop over time. It's about practice, self-acceptance, and stepping out of your comfort zone. For example, consider joining a public speaking group like Toastmasters. It's a great way to practice speaking in front of others and gain confidence in your abilities. 2. Difficulty in social interaction. Next, let's discuss social skills. If you find it challenging to keep conversations flowing, this could be a major barrier in attracting women. Communication is key in any relationship, and being able to engage in meaningful conversations can set you apart. I've created a separate video dedicated to tips on how to have interesting conversations and text girls effectively. If you struggle with talking to people, I highly recommend checking that out. Think about it. Have you ever been in a conversation where one person dominated the talk, leaving the other feeling ignored? It's important to find a balance, ask open-ended questions, and really listen to what the other person has to say. Practice with friends or family, or even in casual social settings, to gain more confidence in your conversational abilities. The more you practice, the easier it will become, and you'll find yourself naturally engaging with others. 3. Your personality. Another important factor is your personality. Sometimes we may not realize how we come across to others. It's essential to take time to reflect on your behavior and demeanor. If multiple people have pointed out certain traits or behaviors, it might be time to take a closer look at yourself. Having a negative attitude or being overly critical can push people away. To improve your personality, try to cultivate a positive outlook. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether that's friends who uplift you or content that inspires you. Additionally, practice gratitude by regularly reflecting on the things you appreciate in your life. This simple exercise can shift your mindset and make you more enjoyable to be around. Remember, everyone has areas for improvement, and recognizing them is the first step toward becoming a better version of yourself. 4. Lack of attraction. You should also consider where you're meeting people. If you're consistently approaching girls who don't know you or who aren't interested, it can be disheartening. Try to put yourself in social situations where you are appreciated and valued. Look for places where you can meet like-minded individuals who share your interests, whether it's clubs, events, or online communities. For instance, if you love sports, join a local league or attend games where you can meet people who share that passion. This not only gives you a common ground to start conversations, but also allows you to interact in a more relaxed environment. If you frequently find yourself in environments where you feel out of place or unappreciated, it can hurt your self-esteem. Remember, it's often about being in the right place at the right time, so make an effort to seek out those positive environments. 5. Being too forward. Sometimes being too forward can be a turn-off. On a first date, for example, saying inappropriate things or pushing for intimacy too quickly can make a girl uncomfortable. It's vital to take your time getting to know someone before diving into deeper topics. Let the conversation flow naturally. There will be time to discuss more personal matters as the relationship develops. A good rule of thumb is to follow her lead. If she seems comfortable discussing certain topics, you can gradually share more about yourself. Building a connection first allows both of you to feel more comfortable and open with each other. Remember, relationships take time to develop, and rushing things can often lead to misunderstandings. 6. Presentation. Finally, let's talk about presentation. First impressions matter a lot. How you present yourself can significantly affect how others perceive you. Make sure to look good and treat her with respect on a date. This can create a positive impression and make her want to think about you more. People often say things like, "It's just about the money." While financial stability is important, personal presentation and manners are what truly create a lasting impact. You can have money, but still lack respect if you don't carry yourself well. Some people may not have much wealth, but they command respect because of their character and how they treat others. So, while it's great to strive for financial success, don't forget to invest time in your personal appearance and etiquette. Pay attention to grooming, wear clothes that fit well, and practice good hygiene. These small details can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself and how others perceive you. Part 2. How to make a girl want you. Now that we've gone through some reasons why girls might not be interested, let's shift gears and talk about how to make a girl want you. The first step is to believe that you are valuable. Every day, remind yourself that you have unique qualities that make you special. This is about more than just self-esteem. It's about recognizing your worth as a person. When you truly believe this, it becomes easier to act confidently. Our minds often accept what we tell them. If you keep saying you're not good enough, that's how you'll start to see yourself. So, believe in your worth, but also stay grounded and realistic. Some people think they are worth more than they actually are, while others underestimate their own value. This can lead to feelings of loneliness and disappointment. It's essential to find a balance. Know your worth, but also be open to growth and self-improvement. This means setting goals for yourself and actively working towards them, whether they're related to your career, hobbies, or personal habits. For example, if you want to improve your fitness, set a goal to exercise a few times a week. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Always strive to better yourself every day. Personal development is a continuous journey, so don't become complacent. If you think you're valuable, but don't put in the effort to improve, you might find yourself feeling lonely when someone who genuinely matches your level comes along. Consider picking up new skills, exploring new interests, or working on your physical health. All of these things can boost your confidence and make you more appealing to others. I once came across a quote that resonated with me: When you know your worth, you won't force anyone to sit at your table. This means you should focus on bettering yourself and not settle for just anyone. Many people make the mistake of lowering their standards once they achieve a certain level of success. Once you've built yourself up, don't go back and settle for less. Understand the true value of what you bring to the table. In addition to believing in your value, create a sense of mystery around yourself. Being intriguing can make you more appealing. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep some details to yourself to spark curiosity. This doesn't mean you should be completely distant or secretive, but rather, you should maintain a balance that keeps her interested in getting to know you more. Engaging in meaningful conversations and sharing your passions can help create that intrigue. Also, remember to be genuine and authentic. People are drawn to those who are real and true to themselves. Show your personality, share your interests, and don't be afraid to let your quirks shine through. Authenticity is refreshing and can create a deeper connection with someone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Stoic Lord to join our growing community. Your support means so much to me, and I appreciate each one of you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll explore more tips and insights on relationships and personal growth. Cheers.